Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are learning practice worksheet 1. So today we will be practicing C and D bit. So are you ready children? Alright, please take out page number 36. C bit. Dana the bird wants to go home. Look at these words and circle those that take an before them. And connect the circled words and help Dana find her nest. Okay children, whenever the word comes, for example the vowel sound words comes, you have to add and before that and you have to circle that word. Okay, and you have to find this bird to find her nest. Now shall we start? Alright, first has been done for you ox, ox, because o is a vowel and it sounds as ox, ox. So and before ox we will be using an, right? So that's it. So in this way we have to find out the remaining words also. Now vowel sound, vowel letters you have to find. B, C, T, W, no. Tiger, no. Apple, yes. A is a vowel, right? So you have to circle this apple. And before apple, we will be using an apple. Okay, very good. Next. Fox, F, C, H, S. No, these are not a vowel words. Jacket, bus, inkpot. Yes, inkpot. I is a vowel letter, right? So, inkpot. E. It makes a sound as E. And before E, we will be adding A and an. Okay, next. Buffalo, B is a consonant, right? D, consonant. P, consonant. S, parrot, sparrow, hen. H, consonant. Engine, yes, it is a vowel letter E and it sounds as engine. And before that we will be adding A and an engine. Alright, next, stable, S, consonant word, right? Zoo, Z is a consonant letter. Bag, B is a consonant letter. Song, S is a consonant letter. Banana, B is a consonant letter. Umbrella, U, yes, A, E, I, O and U for umbrella. U is a vowel letter and it sounds as a, and we will be adding A and an umbrella. So here children, from the bird ox has been started and we will be moving to the nest. So here we reached to the nest. So Dana reached her nest finally. Okay, now let us move on to the next bit. Tick the correct word. Already we have seen that usage of this, that, these and those. So here are the activity worksheet for you. Now we have to solve this. First one has been done for you. That is a river. The options are those, that and these. Remember children, is will come before that or before this. This is a river, that is a river. That means which is far from us. And that too only one thing. That is river. That is a river. We are pointing to the river which is very far. And which is near, suppose. So you have to use this. This is a river. Okay. Now for example, this is a pencil. I am showing very near to you. Which is very near, we have to use this. And that too only one pencil I am showing. So we have to use is. This is. If I am showing here very far, so what you have to use? You have to use that. And only one pencil I am showing. So it means you have to use is. That is a pencil. Alright. Next. Second is dash are my books. Are here. Remember children, these verbs will be helping you. These, this or that. are many books. Dash are many books. So what you have to use? Yes, you have to use these. These are my books. You are showing that these are my books, which is very near to you. You are using these, and that too helping verbs are you have used. Many books means you have to use are. Next, third, dash are my glasses. That, this or these. Yes, these are my glasses. You are pointing something which is near to you, and that too many glasses. For many glasses plural form we are using are here. Understood, children? Okay. Next, fourth one. Dash is a really comfortable shirt. These, this or those. Comfortable shirt. Only one shirt. So we have used is, and that too this you have to use. Whenever this comes, is will be coming, and whenever that comes, is will be coming. But it depends that where you are pointing. Is it near or far? If it is near, you have to use this. Alright. Next, fifth one. Dash are my school friends. These, that or this. Yes, very good. These are my school friends. These means many persons, right? Many friends are there, and you have used here are. So that means these you have to use. Next, dash is my house. That, these or those. Those is my house. Is it nice to say? No. These is my house. Is it a good sentence? No. So you have to use that. That is my house. You are pointing to your house which is far. Okay, and that too one house. So we have used here is. Alright, children. So well, that's all for today. Today we have practiced C and D bit. And please write D bit as a homework in your English notebook, pin page side. Okay, children. Please do the homework carefully. That's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.